If you guys wondering what my setup I'm using a Shimano Sitica 7/0:1 gear ratio, Berkeley Lightning shock rod, 7-foot medium heavy, and 14-pound Suffix mono. I'm just out slaying them today. Got him. Heck yeah. Powerful fish. Real powerful. Bam! Look at that, guys. Look at him. Alright. That's a healthy one. He's got some yellow to him. Look at that one, guys. Oh, look at that fall fish. That's a healthy, fat one. He's been feeding up a while. I bet he's a 3-pounder. What do you guys think? And that's a nice fish there. Very nice. Got him. Oh, he came off. He hit it hard. I mean, he swiped that sucker, I bet. Felt like he just nailed it. Did I hook a shad? I think I hooked a shad. Oh no, that's a largemouth. Wow, did he take off like a rocket and he came off? Man. He hit it really hard too. Just had a hit. See if he comes back for it. Oh, I was doing it too fast. Got him. Oh, he threw me. That's the third throw. Got him. That was a steady reel and then a pop off the weeds. Much smaller, but we'll take them. See him right there. The spot's still producing. I'll try this steady retrieve, and then if I hit weeds, I'm just going to pop it once. Weeds, pop it. Pop it. There he is. So there's two different retrieves that are working right now, guys. This is a good fish. Good fish. Very healthy. Very healthy fish. Probably second best one of the day, I bet. Oh yeah. Bam! That's what I'm talking about. I mean, he just sideswiped it, as you guys can tell. Heck yeah. I don't want that hook to get him down there. Come on, it's not hooked down there. I just gotta surgically get it out there without hooking them. There we go. Bam! That's another 3. That's another 3-pounder, guys. Heck yeah! Look at the gut just feeding up. See what it looks like out there, guys. Rain's coming in. It's awesome though. I'm loving it. I haven't fished in rain in a long time, so this is really nice 60, 65 degree weather, rain, catching bass like crazy. Can't beat it. I'm enjoying it. Hope you guys are too. Let's get at them. Oh, and before I end this clip, again, before in my last video and this one, I've been doing like a swipe retrieve where I just go like this and then reel up the slack and do it again, reel up the slack, and when I reel up the slack and do it again, that's when they're on. So they're hitting it on the fall. And the last 2 fish, I did a nice steady retrieve, felt the weeds, popped it, and they hit it right when I popped it off. So let's see what happens. Got him. There we go, another healthy one. Very healthy fish. I just want to grab hold of that hook right there so you don't stick me with it. There we go. Here you guys go. Look how fat he is. Some of these fish are really fat. They're getting up there. Got him. As soon as I popped it off. Oh, he came off. Weeds popping off. Got him. Ooh, we got a walleye. Mr. Walleye. Woohoo! Look at that walleye, guys. He's long. He's not as fat, but he's long. That's for sure. Alrighty. We'll get this walleye on his way here, but you guys can see him right here. We'll be seeing ya. I gotta use the bathroom really quick, guys. I gotta go. Got him. I'm just cycling between the steady retrieve and the pop, and then the swiping retrieve. Those are the two retrieves I'm cycling through. This is the smallest one of the day, I bet. Guaranteed he's the smallest. Oh, one of my trebles just broke. Alright, looks like that one hook had enough. One of the trebles broke off. You guys can see right there, treble broke off. Back one. So we'll fish it for two right now. I'm not going to go back to the car. Plus, I don't think I even have any trebles in my car. Alright. Got him. That was just right when I released that fish, telling you guys about that treble breaking off. And of course I catch him on the broken treble. And he came off. He's gonna flop back in the water. There he goes. See if we get another one. Send the hook like a freaking jig bite. I need to relax. Oh, he hit it. There he is. He came back for it. You know what I'm waiting for is to get another double fish, 2-on-1. Last year I caught two 4.5 pounders on one bait. It was sick. During this time of year too, it was one of my best catches of all time probably. Because that's very rare. I mean, to get two fish it happens, but to get two 4.5 pounders, I think one weighed 4.5, and the other one weighed like 4. I think it was 410. I could be totally wrong, but I know they are both 4.5 and over, and that was incredible to catch two 4+ pound fish on one bait. I mean, 9 pounds of fish in one cast. That's sick. So here's another good fall bass there, guys. Another nice one. Fish in Lake Carroll, Illinois, northern Illinois, and everybody has their boats out pretty much. Everyone's done from the year. This lake, most of these people, these are their summer houses. Very few people live here year round. So most of these people just come out for the summer, and then they go back to their other house over winter months. So we'll see if we get some more on this rattle trap. Got him. I was doing a really nice slow retrieve there. Popped out of the grass a little bit here and there. He came off. That was a decent one. Alrighty guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. That was real fun. Probably caught around 15 to 18 fish, I think, in about an hour. Again, fishing the live target rattle trap there. Shimano Seneca 70-1 and the Berkeley Lightning Shock rod, 7-foot medium heavy, 14-pound mono. As you can see on my other rod, I was trying the Power Team Lures Grub. I was trying to burn that and fish that, but they weren't taking it, so they wanted something with a little bit more noise, a little bit more speed, I think. So I think that's why the rattle trap got it done today. Again, it was around 60 to 65 degrees today. I think I got out here at like exactly 3 o'clock. I think it's now like 4:10 or so. So just a little over an hour, I caught 15 plus fish. I'll take that any day. That was real fun. Caught some really nice healthy fish. I believe 2 fish were probably 3 pounds. Just totally guessing. They seem to be pretty heavy. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and thank you guys for watching. All the support you guys give really means a lot, and catch you guys soon.